Hey, I am JK. I want to show you the proper way of washing natural hair. This is natural hair. It is not treated, it is not retouched, it is not relaxed. People make mistakes in washing natural hair. Natural hair requires a special attention, which I'm going to show you in this video. Please pay attention to this video, because I don't want you to break client's hair or to stress it or to put any bad energy on it, because definitely the client's hair will break if you don't follow the directives when washing it. So this is the very proper way of washing natural hair, and the very first step before you do anything, I guess you are hearing me well. The very first step before doing anything is to comb. Make sure you comb this natural hair thoroughly, very well. Make sure you comb hair before you do anything, like starting to wash. And make sure you have this kind of comb. It has to have these big caps. Most people, I've seen people using these small combs. I think, let me show you one. People think this is doing anything, but for this case, you don't need to use this, because this is going to affect the roots of the hair. You need a comb like this one. Make sure you have a comb like this with big gaps. It could even be a different model and a different type, but the gaps have to be bigger, not this small one. I guess you can see I've combed this hair. I've combed it so thoroughly that it is not entangled. You can see the tips are all open very well. I told you natural hair requires a very special attention that you need to follow very well. If it is not combed very well, you are going to strain it and it will definitely break. Your client might even lose a hairline. This is the hairline or the edges. So you have to mind very well about combing it before washing. And when you're combing it, I told you how to proper comb it. I guess you've been following me. So after combing it very well, as I've done, now we are going to the next step of washing. Make sure you follow me and know how to properly wash natural hair. This hair is not treated, it is not retouched or relaxed. It is very natural, as you can see it. Before doing anything like applying hair shampoo, mind you, this is a must. This is a must. Before applying your shampoo, please make sure you wet this hair. I'm using warm water. You can even use cold, but warm water is better. It helps this oil in the hair to melt very well and to get out of the hair. So warm water is very vital. So you make sure you wet this hair very well. Please make sure the hair is very wet, as I'm doing here. People make mistakes. They just apply shampoo immediately after combing or immediately before they wash. It is not right. Wet this hair. And I told you, sink should be taken so vital, because a sink is like, it's like your client is like in it's like, it has to be considered very well, because your client is like in should I call it a theater or anything? If you mess up anything, you might mess up your client's hair, or mess up with your client's life. The water doesn't have to be very hot. You have to be so attentive. Take away anything that might disorganize you from the cause, from what you're doing. In other ways, you have to be very well settled before washing the client. So after wetting the hair, as you've seen, this is the hair shampoo. This is the right way of applying hair shampoo. Yeah, this is how they apply shampoo. You put it into your palms and then apply it to the hair in this form. You don't have to put too much shampoo, but again, you don't have to put too little. So just put enough. Make sure you cover up around. You cover up with every hair, even this side down. You apply very well, and this is how you scratch your client's scalp or you wash the hair. Remember, we are washing this hair, but again, we have to wash the scalp inside here because there are oils, there is dandruff, there is dust in here. We're an African country, in an African country where there is a lot of dust. We well know that because we have sun, automatically dust has to be there. So you need to wash both hair and then you also washing the scalp. So here we are going to do like this. We are going to first wash the scalp so well. This is how we scratch it. Don't forget energy, some energy, though it shouldn't be too much again. It has to be average energy. Money very much. So people are watching me. You see what I've been doing. I was scratching the scalp. I was washing both the scalp and the hair. But as I told you in previous video, I think some of you have not watched my previous videos about washing, but I can repeat it. I can repeat myself. You need to wash according to the foam that comes out. It is an indication. The foam that comes out of the hair you are washing is an indication that the hair is ready. It is clean, or you need to wash it again. You need to apply shampoo again. Applying shampoo, standard times you must apply 2 times the hair shampoo. Unless if the hair is it's a little bit more dirty or more dusty, you can apply 3 times or even 4. But my client's hair is not too dirty, so I'm going to first wash out this, because I told you standard way of washing, of applying shampoo, it must be 2 times. So it is not yet clean. I'm going to first wash out this foam, then I also apply shampoo the second time. And I want you to notice that water is going to come out and the foam, it's going to be too white. So I'm washing out the foam. But the indication, the foam that comes out indicates that I need to add more shampoo. Our hair is not yet clean. So I'm adding hair shampoo for 1 more time. I want you to be attentive because I want you to see the foam that will come out. And also another indication, the sound that comes out when the hair is clean. You're going to hear that sound. You can hear it, I don't know, but I'm sure you'll hear it. This is the second time to apply hair shampoo. Hope you remember what I told you, how to apply it very well in a professional way. This is how you must apply it. Put it into your palms and then apply it to the hair. Then the second time when you're washing, when you're scratching, you change. The first time I was scratching like this. Now I'm changing to another way. And I have to be a little bit gentle than the first time. The first time was putting more energy. Now I have to reduce the energy because my client is almost clean. Can you hear the sound that comes out of this hair? And you can see the foam is white. It's a an indication that the hair is clean, though it doesn't mean that I stop washing immediately because it's clean. No, there are other things that are going to follow, and please be on board. Please follow me up. Don't stop. Don't pause your video. Make sure you finish up this video. Can you see the foam? Can you feel the sound that comes out? Our hair is clean. So you're going to wash out this foam and we go to the next step of our washing. This is the conditioner we are going to put in. The phase of hair shampoo is done. Now we are going to another phase of hair conditioner. Remember the steps: we first combed, we wetted the hair, we applied shampoo, we washed it out. That was, we applied it twice, and then another step, I think it's the fourth, we are going to apply hair conditioner. Hair conditioner helps the hair to be distangled very well, and it helps to moisturize the hair very well, and it also helps, it's like a simple treatment to the hair. It softens very well and it gives it more strength. So you have to apply hair conditioner. It's a must when you're washing natural hair, just like our hair. If we don't put it, it's okay, but it is not advisable. It's always advisable we apply hair conditioner. Okay, so this is how we are going to apply it. Like the way we applied our hair shampoo, the same way. We put it to the palms and we apply to our hair. This only goes to the hair. She made much about the scalp because our scalp is very clean. This mostly applies to the hair to avoid it from being entangled, because remember I told you entangling leads the hair to break. It is not good for the hair to entangle. That's why we thoroughly first combed it before doing anything, as I told you and as I did, if you are following. So you apply enough full hair conditioner. For it you apply once, and then immediately after applying, this is what some of you didn't know. I think you didn't know this. When you apply hair conditioner, don't say that the hair has already distangled. No, you need to take another step of combing it. I told you first comb the tips. Make sure you comb the tips thoroughly before you comb inside the hair. You start with the tips very, very, very well. And also mind about time. Your client doesn't have to stay on a sink for 1 hour because she's going to get tired. At most, it should be 30 minutes. That's too much. But the advisable time or the average time has to be 15 minutes on the sink. 15 minutes is enough for you. Or at most 20 if the hair was maybe too dirty or too much itching. So you need to also take note of that. Time is a crucial thing. You need to value it very, very well. Because as well as you mind about yourself, you also have to mind about your client. How is she feeling? And mind you, it's good also to communicate to your client. She will tell you, she'll let you know about the areas which are still itching. And maybe you need to massage more, you need to scratch more to get rid of the itching, or take away the dandruff that might be stuck into the hair. So we are combing as I told you. Now we are combing even inside, starting from the scalp, then inside, then out. But we first started with the tips. Natural hair is very difficult. If you make mistakes, it is so painful and it's going to break. So you don't have to make any mistake. You have to be sober washing it and ready. You have to be with the right things to use. That is the things to use, that is the products, shampoo, hair conditioner, the comb that is used like this one, maybe you need treatment, a leave-in treatment or moisturizing treatment. You can have it on the side. You must have what we say, the hair food. You apply that after washing. So when you feel like you've combed very thoroughly and your comb passes through freely, like now where we're coming close to, you're going to see what I'm going to do next. So after combing, I told you, now this is what you're going to, are you seeing my hands, my fingers? We are going to pass them through the hair as we massage. We are just massaging gently because we've already washed. She doesn't feel any itching. So we're just massaging it gently as we pass through the fingers. Then after this, of course, we're just going to wash out this foam. And they shall be done with our washing. We are done with our washing, and I will get another towel and try to dry this hair by the towel. Thank you for watching this video. If you need to continue, there's another video coming up when I'm blow drying, because this is already long, and also the one I'm going to shoot when I'm blow drying is going to be detailed, very detailed, how to blow dry natural hair. So you also need to wash it, but this one has ended here because it's so detailed, and also the next one, the one that is coming up about blow drying, is going to be very detailed. So I didn't want to make it too long, that's why I'm ending it here. Thank you. You can subscribe, you can share this video, you can like, you can of course follow along, click on the notification bell for the next video about blow drying natural hair. I salute you. I sign out.